is cave art? Have you ever seen cave art? Have you ever been to a cave art gallery? Why did caveman draw these on the wall? Maybe they were just decorating the walls? Or maybe they were scribbling or making graffiti. What if it was aliens? Or a prank by time travelers? Here's what we know. Prehistoric cave paintings have been discovered all over the world, from Europe to Africa, from Asia to Australia. For example, one of the world's most famous set of cave paintings is located in Lascaux, France. These paintings date back as far as 17,000 years ago. This cave contains more than 600 paintings. Back on September 12, 1940, 4 boys found a cave entrance by accident when their dog robot fell into a hole. This hole led to a tunnel that was almost 50 feet long. At the end of the tunnel was a large underground room with paintings of animals covering the wall and the ceiling. This room was later called the Hall of the Bulls. The paint used to draw these animals was a mixture of different colorful minerals, charcoal, animal fat, and cave water. The types of animals seen in the cave paintings include oxen, horse, reindeer, bison, red deer. Upon closer inspection, you can see the animals are painted with details and appear to be in motion. There's also markings of spear, throwing, and arrows. And finally, an interesting thing to note is that some of the painting appear to have been drawn over other existing paintings. So, what does all this mean? Why would cavemen spend all this time making paint with material from all over the area? Why would they paint these animals all over the walls and ceiling deep inside a cave? It would have been very dark and they would need a lot of light. They would need to build ladders and scaffolding to reach the higher parts of the wall, including the ceiling. The amount of effort needed to accomplish this in prehistoric times rules out just decoration or casual drawing. This was a time of hunters and gatherers, way before man learned to grow food on farms and raise animals for meat. Caveman's main concern was finding food to feed himself, his family, and his clan. Hunting was the means for that food and was very important but very dangerous and risky. What if they hunted and did not catch anything? They would not eat that day. What if one of the hunters got hurt or killed during the hunt? That would mean one less person to help on the next hunt. Was there something that could increase their chances of successful hunt without anybody getting hurt or killed? Maybe some sort of ritual, including painting the animals in strong colors, paying attention to important details that would capture the animal spirit in some magical ways. Painting a scene of hunters bringing down the animals, using a sacred place to perform this ritual, covering the sacred place with paintings, picking the sacred place because it is not a common area and is not accessible to animals or intruders. This is the popular theory that archaeologists think best explains why caveman painted on the cave walls. What do you think? for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.